Lisa urgently needs a new heart.
And what will happen if she doesn't get a new heart?
Then Lisa will die.
No, that can't happen.
Please calm down.
What will happen now, Dr. Staffen?
Lisa needs a heart transplant. Unfortunately, there is no other choice.
A transplant?
Yes, Lisa will get someone else's heart.
Huh? How is that supposed to work?
Dr. Staffen will take the heart out and put it in Lisa's body.
Exactly. That's right. But the operation is very dangerous. And there's another problem.
What else?
We don't have a new heart for Lisa.
Excuse me?
It could take months to get a donor heart.
Oh God. Will Lisa last that long?
I'm afraid not. Lisa doesn't have long.
Our Lisa really is going to die.
I want to see Lisa.
I have an idea.
What idea do you have?
Lisa can have my heart.
That's not possible, Kim.
Huh? Why not? Dr. Staffen can take my heart and put it in Lisa's body. Then Lisa will get better again.
Then you would die, honey.
Huh?
You can't live without your heart, Kim.
But where will Lisa get a new heart from then?
We have to wait until someone dies.
I will kill someone.
Don't talk nonsense, Miss Kim.
I'm sorry. I'm so desperate.
Maybe the donor heart will come very quickly.
Yes, that could happen.
Can we go to Lisa now?
Yes, come with me. Lisa is lying in this room.
I want to go to her.
Okay, but you have to be quiet. Lisa needs a lot of rest.
Okay. My poor Lisa.
Lisa isn't blue anymore. That's good, isn't it?
We've given Lisa medication to help her blood flow better.
Does she still need a new heart then?
Yes, very urgently. Lisa won't survive much longer with this heart.
I can't believe this is happening. Will it really take months for Lisa to get a new heart?
We're waiting for a call. When that call comes, it means there's a donor heart for Lisa.
Yes, but how long could that take?
It could be 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 year.
I hope it's only 10 minutes.
Yes, we have to wait until someone dies. Then Lisa will get the dead person's heart, and the operation will be very dangerous too.
This is all so terrible. We love you so much, Lisa.
Please don't leave us. Can I talk to Lisa?
Yes, but she's asleep right now.
Maybe she'll wake up for a moment. I'll try. Hello, my dear. It's me, Kim. Can you hear me, Lisa? I love you.
Kim?
Oh my God. Lisa is awake.
Calm down, Miss Kim. Lisa needs rest.
I'm sorry, Lisa. How are you, dear?
Okay, fine.
Lisa is lying.
When can I go home?
No, that's not possible, Lisa.
To home tomorrow. Wait, Uncle Adam is crying.
No. Dad just needs to go to the bathroom. That's why he's crying. That's why he's crying.
Uncle Adam is really stupid.
Yes, sometimes Dad is really stupid.
Lisa is tired. We should go out, Kim.
But I want to stay with Lisa.
Turn around. Lisa is asleep again, Kim.
Huh? She was just awake.
Lisa only has little strength because of her heart defect.
Oh my God. Please save Lisa, Dr. Staffen. I can't live without Lisa.
We're doing everything we can. You should go home now.
No. I won't leave Lisa here alone either.
No visitors are allowed to stay overnight. We'll call you as soon as we have a new heart.
Lisa isn't staying here alone. That's my final say.
Okay, one person is allowed to sleep here.
Bring me a mattress.
This isn't a hotel. We're a hospital. Okay, I'll make you a bed.
The bed should be soft.
Yes, boss. I'm scared of her, dude.
What are you waiting for?
I'm a doctor.
So? Move.
A nice doctor.
Dr. Staffen is a cutie. I hope he can save Lisa. Otherwise, I'll mess him up.
I'm scared of your daughter.
Me too. Kim could be a real witch sometimes. What's going to happen to Lisa now?
I told you. We have to wait for the call.
Please, just take my heart.
I can't do that. I'd have to kill you for that.
I would die for Lisa. I can't do this anymore. Dr. Staffen.
What do you mean?
First, Kim has lung cancer. And now Lisa needs a new heart. Why, always our family.
Well, that was weird. I hope everything is going back to normal. I have to make Kim a bed now.
A bed?
Her bed is ready, Mrs. Johanna.
Are you sleeping here, Kim?
Yes, I'm not leaving Lisa alone.
Are we even allowed to sleep in the hospital?
No,
Yes.
that's a lie.
Dr. Staffen?
What is it, you liar? You're allowed to sleep in the hospital.
And what else?
I'm sorry
What are you sorry about?
that I called you liar. I have to get back to work now.
Don't you stay with Lisa?
No, I have other patients too. Come get me if Lisa dies. Then I'll try to save her.
Do you have your phone with you?
Which phone?
For the call if there's a donor heart.
Yes, I have it with me.
Then please let us know immediately. Next day.
Thank God we matched with Lisa's heart. Now let's replace it and see if the operation is successful or not.
Who asked Dr. Staffen for a mattress? A. Kim. B. Adam. C. Johanna. D. Lisa. If you liked the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.